These guidelines can help you improve your relationship with food. For Thriveworks News, I'm Zach Flanagan. You might have a bad relationship with food if you feel guilty or ashamed every time you eat a food you aren't supposed to. Or if you always deny yourself your favorite treats and punish yourself when you do indulge. Fortunately, you can work to improve your relationship with food. Follow these 3 important guidelines. 1. Eat mindfully. In other words, engage all of your senses. Instead of slurping down that smoothie, drink it slowly. Notice how sweet it tastes, how cold it is on your tongue. Mindful eating allows you to be fully present in the experience and let go of the guilt that sometimes accompanies eating. 2. Don't declare any food off limits. Remember that everything is okay in moderation, even foods you might have labeled as bad like French fries or ice cream. A healthy relationship with food is eating to nourish one's body and soul. 3. Put the scale away. Base your food decisions on how you feel rather than the number you see on the scale. Do you feel energized? Are you in a better mood? You'll likely find that foods that are healthy and good for you make you also feel good on the inside, as opposed to unhealthy foods which will usually leave you feeling tired and uneasy. These 3 guidelines will help you improve your relationship with food.